A car moves at the speed of 72 kilometers per hour after repairing and moves at the speed of 54 kilometers per hour before repairing. It covers the distance of x in 6 hours after repairing. How much time in hours will it take to cover 3x distance before repairing? So we have two scenarios here. So one is after repairing, the other is before repairing. After repairing, what is the speed? 72 kilometers per hour. And before repairing, the speed is 54 kilometers per hour. And we are given it covers distance of x in 6 hours after repairing. So distance will be x and the time taken to cover this distance is 6 hours. And we are asked to find the time it will take to cover 3x distance. So the distance before repairing is 3x, and what is the time that we need to find out. We know speed is nothing but distance covered per unit time. Then distance equal to speed multiplied by time. The speed here is 72 kilometers per hour and the time is 6 hours. So hours gets cancelled and the distance is 72 multiplied by 6 kilometers. This is the x. Now before repairing, we need to find out the time. So speed is distance divided by time. Then time equal to distance divided by speed. So what is the distance? Distance is 3x kilometers divided by speed is 54 kilometers per hour. So 3x is nothing but 3 multiplied by 72 multiplied by 6 is x divided by 54 kilometers per hour. Here kilometers. Now kilometers gets cancelled. 18 threes and 18 fours. 3 gets cancelled. Answer is 24 hours. So 24 hours is the time taken to complete 3x distance, option B. Here one pro tip is you need not do complex calculation during problem solving. So you can cancel them at later stages. Here when we are calculating x, we have not calculated what is 72 multiplied by 6. And when you are calculating 3x, you are not computed what is 3 times of 72 multiplied by 6. We have directly cancelled out at the end. So that will save a lot of time during problem solving.